It was a bit awkward, and that was Ray to a T. You know, he was dead off the cuff, and imagine that you're in a meeting room, the lights are dimmed a little bit, and I'm at the front, and the guy's like, right, lads, you know, obviously, Stu, exactly, I've played with you, lads, you call me Gate or Gareth or probably no, but he made a sort of a joke like that. And he said, you know, but obviously in the next couple of weeks, got to be Gaffer or boss. And just heard this voice, what about Big Nose? And it sort of just went dead. The room went, oh, as he just said that. And I was just like, and he went, yeah, all right, all Big Nose, but you could see he was fucking fuming. It was like, I think Ray turned around, Malcolm Crosby was there at the time, and he said, I think that's me done, Malcolm. And I think he was done.
I think that's me done.
I think he knew, and he was in the reserves. I think he said on his pod, didn't he, that he was on the reserves for a couple of months, and then he sort of drifted out. I think he went a whole after that, but yeah, just sort of went to the side. Honestly, what a character Ray was.
The thing is,